Another very important thing to notice within Blue Rabbit is that one of the first things the system is going to ask you is whether or not you want to allow notifications. All right. So the second you get into the website and you reload this page, you're going to see that the system is asking you to allow notifications. So please make sure you do so. That way you will be able to receive those notifications. However, if you have already authorized the system and it's still not allowing you um, to receive notifications, reload the page, then click on your profile, and you see this orange button here. Click it to subscribe to the notifications of the website manually. This way, it should tell you you will receive notifications from this class. And once done, if you click it again, it should tell you that you're already registered. All right. Once this is happening, every time we send you a notification or a message through the um, wall as an announcement, you should receive a notification on your device, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a tablet, or whether it's your cell phone.